How are we doing today? It's Extreme Edge Custom Kydex and Knives, and coming at you with a new project. We just got the digital camo Kydex and a mollie lock clip, 3rd generation. Spring assisted, so makes it easy to work. This is the knife in question. There it is. Able to support mollie. The mollie lock clip has, see the springs. So when you clasp it on, boom and down. It's pretty tight right now, but when with use it'll loosen up. It's tough to do with your camera. Yeah, I can't do it with my hand on the camera. But it is doable. You can pull it out, push it back in. There you go. So we now have this color in stock, the digital camo. Not a bad knife. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the mollie lock with the butterfly camo Kydex sheath. Alright guys, have a good day.